Pleasant day, children, and very good morning to everyone, and welcome to the class. Today we'll start with the new poem, that is The Sick Young Dragon. What is the name of the poem? The Sick Young Dragon. Have you seen dragon? Yes, we have seen dragon in the cartoons and movies, right? So here in this poem, we'll come across the sick dragon. What is his condition? Right. This what does dragons do? They breathe out the fire. Correct. So here the sick dragon. Here the dragon, he'll fall sick and he couldn't breathe out his fire. So now we'll see that whether he will get back his fire back. Right. And what the treatment he will get and how he get cured and how he get back his fire, we will see in this poem. Okay, this is a funny poem. Okay, now we will see and we will read out the poem. Okay, children? Okay, now. What can I do? Young dragon cried. What can I do? Young dragon cried. Although I have simply tried and tried. Although I have simply tried and tried. It doesn't matter how hard I blow. It doesn't matter how hard I blow. I cannot get my fire to go. I cannot get my fire to go. Now here, what can I do? Young dragon cried. Although I have simply tried and tried. It doesn't matter how hard I blow, I cannot get my fire to go. Open your mouth, his mother said. Open your mouth, his mother said. It's no wonder your throat's not red. It's no wonder your throat's not red. Your scales are cold, you must be ill. Your scales are cold, you must be ill. I think you must have caught a chill. I think you must have caught a chill. Open your mouth, his mother said. It's no wonder your throat's not red. Your scales are cold, you must be ill. I think you must have caught a chill. The doctor said he looked and, The doctor came, he looked and said, you'll need a day or two in bed. You will need a day or two in bed. Your temperature's down, no doubt. Your temperature's down, no doubt. That's the reason your fire has gone. That's the reason your fire's gone. Just drink this petrol, chew these nails. Just drink this petrol, chew these nails. They'll help you to warm up your scales. They'll help you to warm up your scales. Now, the doctor came, he looked and said, you'll need a day or two in a bed. Your temperature's down and no doubt that's the reason your fire's gone out. Just drink petrol, chew these nails. They'll help you to warm up your scales. Just take it easy, watch TV. Just take it easy, watch TV. You'll soon be alright as rain, you'll see. You'll soon be alright as rain, you'll see. Young dragon did as he was told. Young dragon did as he was told, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. And soon his scales stopped feeling cold. He sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. He sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. He coughed and set the sheets alight. He coughed and set the sheets alight. Now, just take it easy, watch TV. You'll soon be alright as rain you'll see. Young dragon did as he was told, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. He sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. He coughed and set the sheets alight. Oh dear, he cried, I have burned the bread. Oh dear, he cried, I have burned the bed. It doesn't matter, his mother said. It doesn't matter, his mother said. Those sheets were old, go out and play. Those sheets were old, go out and play. Just watch where you breathe fire today. Just watch where you breathe fire today. Now, did you understand? Okay, now here, what the sick dragon is telling to his mother. What he's telling? He's telling, what can I do? Young dragon cried. He is crying and telling his mother that, what can I do? Although I have simply tried and tried. Even though I have tried simply again and again, it doesn't matter how hard I blow. Means there is no effect. If I'm putting the hard in blowing the fire also, I'm not able to get my fire. Now, open your mouth, his mother said. Oh, mother asked, open your mouth, okay, just to examine him. Now, the young dragon is telling that as he was trying to blow the fire out of his mouth, he's not getting the fire. So, he is worried. So, he will inform his mother, mother, see, I am trying as much as it is possible for me, but I am not getting my fire. So he is worried. Now what his mother will say? His mother will say, open your mouth. His mother want to examine, check what has happened to him. So his mother will say, open your mouth. It's no wonder your throat's not red. No, it's not, nothing happened. And she'll say, your scales are cold. You might have got cold. Your scales, your skin has are cold. Your skin is cold and you might be ill. And she's telling you might be ill because your skin is cold. Scales means here plates covering the skin. These scales means the fish has the scales, the outer part of the fish body. Those are called scales, right? Scales, plates covering the skin. Skin of animals. Example, fish, then crocodile, etc. See, scales means plates covering the skin of animals. Example, fish and crocodile. They'll be having like this, right? The skin of their body. If the fish is like this, no, this like this will be having the outer part of the body of the fish. So these outer part are called scales. Okay. Now here also the dragon's mother is telling that. Here in the picture you will come to know that you'll see the scales. Okay, that one. So these are the scales. The outer part, plates covering the body. Okay, now your scales might have got cold, so you are feeling ill. Now you must be ill. I think you must have got a chill. Now here the mother is telling, when she examined his throat or when she examined his mouth, the mother understood that his body is cold and she'll tell him that, don't worry child, your body has become cold. That means you might have got cold and cough. So not to worry, this is not a big problem. Now the mother will inform the doctor and the doctor will come. The doctor came, he looked and said, the doctor will come and he will examine him, and what he will say, you'll need a day or two in bed. The doctor will say, you need some rest for 1 or 2 days. Right, when we are not feeling well, doctor will say to take rest. Like 1 or 2 days, we have to take rest. The doctor will tell us to take rest. Same way here also, the doctor, when he examines the young dragon, he will tell him that you might have to take rest 1 or 2 days. Now, Your temperature is down, no doubt. Your temperature is down. Your temperature has gone below. Okay, from the normal temperature, your temperature has gone below. So you need some rest. That's the reason your fire has gone. Now here the doctor is telling your temperature has come down. So only you are not able to breathe out the fire. Just drink this petrol, chew these nails. Here the doctor is telling that, so drink this petrol and chew the nails so that these two things will make your body warm. What the doctor is telling, just drink this petrol, chew these nails, they'll help you to warm up your scales. The doctor advised the young dragon to drink petrol and to chew some nails so that with the help of the petrol and chewing the nails, his body and his scales will become warm and his fire will be back. Okay, so that he can breathe out the fire. Just take it easy, watch TV. Don't worry, child, just take it easy, watch TV. You'll soon be all right, as rain you will see. Here, the doctor is telling, child, just take it easy. You're not in a serious condition. This is very small ill. So, okay. Now, your body has, temperature has come down. Not to worry. When you drink the petrol and chew the nails, automatically your scales will become warm and you can breathe out the fire. Okay, just chill and just be cool and watch TV. And as soon as you take the rest, your body will become warm and you'll be soon all right. Young dragon did as he was told, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. Now what happened? The young dragon listened to the doctor and he took the advice and he did the same way as the doctor had advised him. So soon he will become okay and his scales also, his skin also gets warm. Now he sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. What happened after taking rest? His body temperature will come to normal. And what happened? When he sneezed out some sparks. Right? When he sneezed, some sparks will come out of his mouth. Now his face glowed bright. Now what happened to the dragon? When he sneezed the sparks, his face became bright. He became very happy because he got his fire back. Now he coughed and set the sheets alight. When he coughed, the sheets which were around him got fire. Now, oh dear, he cried, I have burned the bed. Now here, the dragon became very happy. Now what he did? When he coughed, the sheets around him got caught fire. Now he is telling that, he cried means in happy, he is telling that, oh dear, I have set the bed, I have burned the bed. His bed also caught fire. So now he is telling, oh dear, I have burned the bed also. Now what his mother will say? Now it doesn't matter, his mother said. His mother told, not to worry, child. Those sheets were old, go out and play. She will say, okay child, those sheets which caught fire were very old. Not to worry about that. You go out and play. Now, just watch where you breathe fire today. Now, also she will inform him that just watch, just be careful where you breathe fire today. Just be careful when you breathe fire today, because now he has recovered from his cold and cough. So, his mother is telling him that when you go out and play, please take care of yourself. Right. Now, did you understand, children? Okay, I hope you have understood. Just now, again, I'll read out the poem so that you will come to understand in a better way. Now, what can I do? Young dragon cried, although I have simply tried and tried. It doesn't matter how hard I blow, I cannot get my fire to go. Open your mouth, his mother said. It's no wonder your throat's not red. Your scales are cold, you must be ill. I think you must have caught a chill. The doctor came, he looked and said, you will need a day or two in a bed. Your temperature's down, no doubt. That's the reason you're far gone out. Just drink this petrol, chew these nails. They'll help you to warm up your scale. Just take it easy, watch TV. You'll soon be all right as rain you will see. Young dragon did as he was told, and soon his scales stopped feeling cold. He sneezed some sparks, his face glowed bright. He coughed and said, the sheets are light. Oh dear, he cried, have burned the bed. It doesn't matter, his mother said. Those sheets were old, go out and play. Just watch where you breathe fire today. Here what the mother is telling. Here when the sick dragon, okay, here when the sick dragon told his mother that he is not able to breathe, okay, and when the young dragon told his mother that he couldn't breathe out the fire, how much ever he has tried, the fire was not coming. So he was worried. So same thing he will inform to his mother. Then what his mother will say? His mother, okay, just open your mouth, I will see. Okay, just I'll examine what has happened to your throat. Now when he opened his throat, his mother will notice that just he has got chill. Okay, and his scales also were becoming cold. So his mother is telling that, don't worry child, you might have got cough and cold because your scales also are getting cold. So not to worry, I will call the doctor. Now here now the young dragon will be on the bed and the doctor will come. He'll be taking rest. Okay, now what the doctor will say? As he examined the young dragon, he will understand his problem. Now the doctor will say, child, don't worry. Okay, you have got cold. So only you couldn't able to breathe out the fire. Not worry, this is not a serious problem. So I'll give this petrol to drink and some nails to chew so that these two things will warm up your scale. Okay, and he'll also tell him that you need some rest. Okay, so you must take rest 1 or 2 days on the bed. You should take rest. Okay, now what happened? As the doctor insisted, he drinks the petrol and he chews some nails, and later his body comes to the normal temperature. Okay, the doctor has said him his temperature has come down from the normal temperature. Now when he took the advice and did the same as the doctor advised him, his body gets the normal temperature. Okay, now he will sneeze. Okay, now he will sneeze and some sparks will come out of his mouth. Now what will happen to the dragon? Will he feel sad or will he feel happy? Yes, the dragon will feel happy because the sparks are coming out. First he was crying, there was no spark, fire. Now when he sneezed, some fire came out and it set the papers around him. Okay, and it also burned the bed. Now what happened? He'll cry, means in a happiness. Okay, now he'll tell his mother, oh dear, I have burned the bed. What shall I do? Now the mother will say, don't worry my child, those sheets are old ones, not to worry. Okay, now, and she'll also say that, yes, now you have become all right and now you can go out and play. And also she will insist him, but he should be careful when he breathes out the fire today. Okay, wherever he breathes out the fire, he should be careful because now itself he has recovered from the ill. Okay, children. Now I hope you have understood. Now there is one word that is new to us, scales. What do you mean by scales? Scales means plates covering the skin of animals. Okay, certain animals. Not all animals, certain animals. That is like example, fish, crocodile. Right. Now what are scales? If you read, we will not understand. So what are scales? Scales is the outer part. See here, the outer part like the scales you might have seen in the fish, right? So this outer part of the skin of the fish body is known as scales. Understood, children? I hope you have understood. So we will learn the other new lesson in the next class, right? And I'll give some activity for you to do. Okay, now in page number 22, you have the first main, that is reading. Okay, in that read and answer is the three. Two questions are there. Okay, that you have to tick it. Here, in the second question, first question we will do it in the class, and the second question, see, tick the correct meaning of these phrases. Tick the correct meaning. Here they have given a word, and for that they have given a sentence frame, which means the same of the word. For example, see, caught a chill. Caught a chill. Here, two examples are the two words they have given. Which are those two words? To catch something, a ball while playing. Caught a chill means, does it mean that to catch something like a ball while playing? Or to catch a cold? To catch a cold, or to become, so that our body becomes cold. What is that? Caught a chill means to catch something like a ball while playing, or to catch a cold. So this correct answer you have to mark it. And take it easy. Take it easy means to do things easily or to relax and take rest. What do you mean? Here, when doctor said take it easy, just chill and you need some rest. What does it mean? To do things easily or to relax and take rest? Yes, to relax and take rest. To the correct answer, you have to put tick mark. Now, third question. Set the sheets alight. What do you mean by set the sheets alight? Is it the sheets caught fire or the sheets were light and easy to carry? The sheets set the sheets alight means, is it the sheets caught fire or the sheets were light and easy to carry? In these two options, please mark the correct answer. Now you have to read the poem one or two times, and then you have to answer these three questions in the second question. There are three sub questions. Okay, you have to do this homework. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the story, and if you have any doubts, I'll clear you in the next class. Thank you, children.